Management of Property and Affairs of Mentally Ill. This is guided by Chapter 6 of the Mental Health Act, Section 52, Section 77, Application Section 50. If a person has become incapable of managing his property due to mental unsoundness, an application for holding an inquiry into his mental condition, judicial inquisition, may be made to the district court by any of his relative, not a friend or unrelated person, public curator, advocate general of the state, collector of the district where his property resides. Court would then issue a notice to the alleged mentally ill person or person having his custody, as well as the applicant to appear on a fixed date and time before the court. Alleged mentally person is personally examined either by presiding officer of the court. Court may call any other person, psychiatrist, for opinion and report. Findings given after inquisition. Section 51. Whether the person is indeed mentally ill. If yes, he can take care of himself and his property neither. This fact must be clearly stated by the doctor in his certificate. Sample certificates. Person examined is mentally sound and capable of taking care of himself as well as his property. Person examined is mentally ill and incapable of managing both himself as well as his property. Person examined is mentally ill. He is capable of taking care of himself, but is incapable of taking care of his property. Appointment of guardian. If person is incapable of taking care of himself, a guardian is appointed. Section 53. Appointment of manager by the court. Person is found incapable of taking care of his property. A manager is appointed to taking care of his property. Section 54. Appointment and remuneration of guardians. Section 57 Mental Health Act 1987. Legal heirs of mentally ill person cannot ordinarily be appointed guardians or managers. Duties of a guardian or manager. Section 58. To take care of mentally ill person and those person depend on him to take care of his property. Powers of the manager. Section 59. Has all powers in relation to property as the mentally ill person would have had if he was not ill. Sale, mortgage, lease of property for purpose of settlement of debts. Manager can pay all debts and liabilities of the mentally ill person by mortgaging or selling any of the immovable property of the mentally ill after making an application to the district court and taking permission from it. Admission to a psychiatric hospital. If district court thinks that the condition of mentally ill person is such that he must be admitted in a psychiatric hospital, an order is made to that effect. The detention would be till much period the order is revoked. Section 26. Cessation of mental illness. Section 75. If the district court is informed that the person who was found to be mentally ill is now free from such illness, it may direct a subordinate court to inquire into the matter. A secondary inquiry is held following the same procedure. The person is found to be mentally sound. All actions taken regarding him would be set in as an example removal of guardian and managers. Thank you.